guys, welcome to Cooking with Mimi, and it is May. We are in the month of May. So all my Zoes and Haitian out there know what that means. May is Haitian Heritage Month, okay? So in honor of Haitian Heritage Month, we're gonna do the staple in every Haitian freezer and refrigerator, okay? Epis, all right? So these are all my ingredients I'm going to use. Here I have about 25 cloves of garlic, 20 branch of scallions, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, 2 tomatoes, 2 green peppers, 1 red onion, 1 white onion, 3 shallots, half a cup of parsley, 1 Italian pepper, and do I have anything else hiding in here? No. And I have this right here. You can find this at any international supermarket. It's like a Haitian butter. You can, if you can't find it or you don't know, you're not familiar with this, you can use regular butter, but I prefer to use this. Here I have sherry wine. Here I have Worcestershire sauce, okay? Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire, however you say it. Salt. Total seasoning, you can use any complete seasonings. I prefer to use this one, Madame Gugu's Haitian Total Seasoning. And I have Larry's seasoning. And you know that Goya adobo, okay? And oil. This oil is almost finished, but probably gonna need more, but this will do for now. Alright guys, so first I'm gonna start off by putting the liquids. So you kind of, this is like, there's no exact measurements to it. You kind of go by the consistency your blender is going, and you know, till you get that right consistency, like you want it to blend well. So first I'm going to start off by a few tablespoons of oil, and then I'm going to pour my sherry wine, about 1 tablespoon of that, and then I'm going to put a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. Next, I'm going to use this Haitian butter spread. So beautiful. It has such a nice, vibrant yellow color. I love it. It's like a egg yolky color. And then I'm going to put a few of everything. First, I want to start off with the tomatoes because it holds the most water. Then some peppers, because this is gonna be in about a few batches, guys. So parsley, put some garlic, throw some scallions in, some shallots, red onions, white onion. Ooh. A bit more pepper. And then I'm going to blend it up. I'm going to blend it up. Bring this closer, guys. I'm going to put it on liquefy. I'm having more space, I'm gonna put some more. Okay guys, now that it's blended, I'm going to pour half a tablespoon of salt and give that a blend. You guys pretty much have the concept. Woo. I usually pour it into a big bowl, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish making the rest of my batches. I'm going to add everything. I'm gonna take the stem off the scotch bonnet pepper and throw it in with the seeds and everything. Alright guys, so my second batch is done. And the beautiful thing about making ippies is that you can customize it the way you want. You can add more vegetables or more seasonings you want. You can take away, you know, whatever you don't like. You can add cilantro, parsley if you like, basil, thyme. You can add whatever you want. So that's the beautiful thing about making ippies. You can customize it to your preference. So this batch will probably last me about 3 to 5 months, which is also a good thing because you don't have to worry about making ippies like every week. Although there's nothing wrong with that, but it's easier. So now I'm gonna start adding my seasonings and stirring this up. I'm gonna add some Larry seasoning, sprinkle that over. Oh girl, guys, the spices right now. Sprinkle my total complete seasoning. And last but not least, my Goya. And guys, I ended up using about half a cup of oil, which is normal. And then I'm just gonna stir this in. Look at this beautiful green color. Oh my gosh, guys. Just want to mix it in well. Alright, I'm gonna give it a little taste. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And there you have it, guys, Haitian Epis. Thank you for watching this video. Please give me a like, comment, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos on cooking with Mimi. This is Haitian Epis, and I'm very proud of it. Happy Haitian Heritage Month, okay? This is it. Hey. So I'm gonna dance to some compa tonight and drink my rum by mon coup. What are you guys doing? Peace.